guys, we are trying to figure out a way to go home. Meet my new friend. My new friend, say hi. On our way back home, guys. Party has ended. So I just got back home not long ago. But from the wedding, I went to the market to buy tomato, pepper, and coconuts because I want to make coconut rice tomorrow. So Madu is enjoying his food. I can hear his sound. So I'm just alone in the house for now. My brother is not at home. So I can perceive Madu's pool. Let me check where the pool is then. Clean it, charge my phone. My battery is low, man. Then what else? Nothing else. I'll just chill. My video is supposed to go up today after a long while. Jesus, I've not posted for a very, very, very long time. So my video is supposed to go up today. I want to just charge my phone a bit so I can start uploading. I know it will just upload very quick because it's not long. It's just a short something. So that's it for now. Let me relax and take care of myself small. I'm tired. Then see, I'm enjoyment minister. Like I show una seen the lick mouth. It's my fan, you know, say you go there. Just in the lick mouth. Hey, Jesus, you ate your favorite. Take it easy now, eh? On top of this, my away. See this